Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A98 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll to find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down again and find the ringtone option, let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the system settings, so those which are installed here by default. And at the top, we've got this custom section on the device, which simply means that after choosing this option, we will be able to pick something from our own file. So if you've got anything, for example, downloaded, you will be able to find it right here and set it as a ringtone, of course, if it is compatible. But let me pick something from the system ringtones and let me show you how to listen to them. Simply tap on it. And of course, it's too loud, as always. But basically, this is how it works. Just tap on it and listen how it sounds. If you like the particular sound, let's pretend that in my case it is this temple one. Make sure that it's marked and simply go back. And you can see that it is notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.